Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best sports chair is probably one of the most versatile pieces of outdoor furniture you can own, offering a comfortable place to sit while keeping your essentials close at hand, making it perfect for everything from backyard barbecues and camping trips to sporting events and beach days, ensuring you never have to compromise on comfort or convenience when enjoying the great outdoors. Number 5. Best Choice Product Set of 2 Zero Gravity Lounge Chairs, Ivory. Experience ultimate comfort with our zero-gravity chairs. They smoothly glide into an ergonomic position, automatically adjusting to your body's weight for perfect support. Planning a trip to the park, beach, or a sporting event. Their lightweight and foldable design makes them incredibly easy to take with you wherever you go. Keep your essentials close at hand with the detachable tray. It features cup holders, a phone holder, and a tablet holder, so your drinks and devices are always within reach. These chairs are designed for durability, featuring a high weight capacity of 250 pounds. The flexible, low-wear fabric ensures they will provide lasting quality for years to come. Enjoy personalized comfort with the removable, padded headrest. Adjust it to your liking for an extra touch of relaxation. When open, they offer generous space for lounging, measuring 32.5 to 61 inches long. When folded, they become compact at just 6 inches high, perfect for storage and transport. What we like. Experience ultimate relaxation with its lockable reclining system that glides smoothly into a zero-gravity position. If you're looking for a chair that offers unparalleled comfort and a way to truly unwind, this is it. Its portable design also makes it easy to take to any outdoor event. What people say. These are very comfortable. My husband has a bad back and I wanted something he could enjoy and be on the deck with me. He said it was great. Love these chairs. Most chairs lay straight back hurts my back. This is curved so comfortable for relaxing or sunbathing. Easy to set up right out of the box. Fabric is good quality and they fold up nicely. Number 4. KingCamp Folding Director's Chair with Side Table. Introducing the KingCamp Folding Director's Chair, designed for ultimate comfort and convenience on all your outdoor adventures. It's the perfect companion for any trip. Crafted with breathable Oxford fabric and a supportive seat, this chair is ideal for everyone, even those with knee pain. Its robust steel frame comfortably supports up to 400 pounds. Enjoy a built-in side table with a nested cup holder to keep your drinks secure and a multifunctional pocket for your essentials. Padded armrests make getting up a breeze. Setting up is a snap with no tools required. Weighing just 9.7 pounds, it's easy to carry anywhere, from the beach to your backyard. Built to last, its waterproof coated frame and large, non-slip foot covers ensure stability and longevity on any terrain. This chair is designed for extended use. Whether for fishing trips, concerts, or family picnics, this chair makes an ideal gift. We're committed to your satisfaction and welcome your feedback. What we like. This chair boasts a breathable and durable Oxford fabric with a robust steel frame supporting up to 400 pounds. If you need a chair that is both comfortable for extended sitting and can handle a heavier load, this is an excellent choice. The integrated side table and cup holder add significant convenience for outdoor activities. What people say. The material is thick and wonderful. The frame is great. The side table is a great bonus. And the side pockets are a wonderful addition. They are really sturdy and not bad to carry. They have handles sewn right on them so when you fold them up, you carry them by the handle. My husband is in love with the folding tray table that is attached. The seat doesn't sink and the back part supports really well. These are so comfortable even after sitting in them for hours. Absolutely love them. Very thick strong material and very well made. I will purchase more. Oh, and love the handy tray on the side and pouch to store phone and snacks for a little league game, etc. Number 3. SUNNYFEEL Oversized Folding Director Chair. Introducing the SUNNYFEEL Director Chair, designed for your ultimate comfort and convenience. Setting it up is a breeze, thanks to its anti-pinching and click-to-lock features, ensuring a safe and effortless experience every time. This chair is designed with your needs in mind. It features a convenient side table, integrated drink and phone holders, and multiple pockets to keep your essentials organized and within reach. Constructed with a heavy-duty steel frame, it can support up to 300 pounds. The durable, breathable Oxford cloth and mesh fabric ensures longevity and comfort, even during extended outdoor use. When it's time to pack up, it folds down compactly into its included carry bag. Its lightweight design makes it incredibly easy to transport and store, perfect for any adventure. Whether you're camping, at the beach, fishing, or enjoying a picnic, this versatile chair is your perfect companion. It's designed for any outdoor activity, making it an essential addition to your gear. Experience the perfect blend of durability, comfort, and portability with the SUNNYFEEL Director Chair. It's more than just a chair, it's your reliable partner for all your outdoor excursions. What we like. Designed with a thoughtful anti-pinching and click-to-lock mechanism, this chair ensures effortless and safe setup. If you prioritize ease of use and ample storage for your essentials while enjoying the outdoors, this oversized chair is ideal. Its multiple pockets and convenient side table keep everything organized and within reach. What people say. The side table is a great addition, perfect for holding drinks and snacks. The chair is very comfortable and sturdy, even for extended periods. It folds up easily for transport and storage, making it convenient for camping trips. Number 2. Picnic Time Sports Chair with Side Table. Introducing the Sports Chair with Side Table by Oniva. It's a lightweight, outdoor folding chair with a sturdy aluminum frame, built for serious relaxation. This chair offers a variety of pockets to hold your personal items, an insulated pouch for beverages, a secure zippered pocket, and a handy side table. Enjoy the extra-wide seat, made of durable polyester canvas with padded armrests. It boasts an impressive 300-pound weight capacity. No more awkward carrying. This portable chair has an adjustable shoulder strap and 2 handles for easy transport to the beach, park, or campground. This product is built to last and backed by the Picnic Time family of brands, a trusted family-owned business. What we like. Constructed with a lightweight yet sturdy aluminum frame, this chair is designed for easy transport and durability. If you need a portable chair that's easy to carry to various locations, its adjustable shoulder strap and handles make it a breeze. The integrated side table and armrest caddy offer convenient spots for your drinks and belongings. What people say. The bottle holders keep my water cold to cool for a lot longer than a regular cup holder, which generally has absolutely no insulation properties at all, and the various storage pockets are very useful. I've been loading my Surface tablet, water bottles and mobile hotspot Wi-Fi device into the chair before heading to the ball fields, and everything stays stored away neatly whenever I'm not using it. It is lightweight and very strong and sturdy. The side table is fabulous. No more juggling your food, drink and book. You are covered in all areas with this chair. There are several pockets to hide and store your stuff. Very user-friendly. It has a strap to carry too. It is easy to open and close up. The seat is firm, allowing you to sit for 2 hours comfortably. The seat is deep enough for someone over 6 foot tall and short enough for others around 5. The open back gives you ample fresh air to remain cool in the summer. The outside pockets are versatile to hold everything within reach. The inside pocket holds magazines, books, and papers, or a laptop. The arms are cushioned in fabric so they can be washed and are never cold hot from the weather. The handles on both arms make it easy to pick up and carry, or the arm sling allows for longer hauls, keeping your hands free. The side table is just enough room for a plate, dessert, drink and binoculars, or any other gadgets. Finally, the umbrella loop on the back is clever. It's a great feature for sunny days and fair skin. The fabric is thick and durable and the stitching is commercial grade IMHO. Number 1. Picnic Time Sports Chair with Side Table. Experience ultimate relaxation with this lightweight yet sturdy outdoor folding chair. Its robust aluminum frame is built for serious comfort and heavy use, making it perfect for any adult. This chair is designed for your convenience, featuring an accessories panel with pockets, an insulated beverage pouch, and a secure zippered pocket. The fold-out side table adds extra utility for your essentials. Enjoy superior comfort on its extra-wide seat, made from durable polyester canvas with padded armrests. It comfortably supports up to 300 pounds, ensuring a relaxing experience for everyone. Transporting this chair is a breeze thanks to its adjustable shoulder strap and dual handles. Take it anywhere, the beach, park, or campground, with ease. Your investment is protected with our comprehensive lifetime guarantee. We stand by our product quality, offering you complete peace of mind. What we like. This chair offers a lightweight aluminum frame and a generous 300 pounds weight capacity, backed by a lifetime guarantee for peace of mind. If you value a product that is not only functional and portable but also built to last with a strong warranty, this is the one for you. The insulated beverage pouch is a nice touch for keeping your drinks cool. What people say. The bottle holders keep my water cold to cool for a lot longer than a regular cup holder, which generally has absolutely no insulation properties at all, and the various storage pockets are very useful. I've been loading my Surface tablet, water bottles and mobile hotspot Wi-Fi device into the chair before heading to the ball fields, and everything stays stored away neatly whenever I'm not using it. The side table is fabulous. No more juggling your food, drink and book. You are covered in all areas with this chair. There are several pockets to hide and store your stuff. Very user-friendly. It has a strap to carry too. It is easy to open and close up. The seat is deep enough for someone over 6 foot tall and short enough for others around 5. The open back gives you ample fresh air to remain cool in the summer. The outside pockets are versatile to hold everything within reach. The inside pocket holds magazines, books, and papers, or a laptop. The arms are cushioned in fabric so they can be washed and are never cold hot from the weather. The handles on both arms make it easy to pick up and carry, or the arm sling allows for longer hauls, keeping your hands free. The side table is just enough room for a plate, dessert, drink and binoculars, or any other gadgets. Finally, the umbrella loop on the back is clever. It's a great feature for sunny days and fair skin. The fabric is thick and durable and the stitching is commercial grade IMHO. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.